Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an example on coordinate geometry. The vertices of a parallelogram are in order of A, B, C and D, and the coordinates of each vertex is given. Then we have to find out the value of the x which is missing from the vertex C and the value of y which is missing from the vertex B. So let me first draw the parallelogram so you get an idea how it looks. So here I have taken the parallelogram as a rectangle and they have mentioned that they are in the order. So A should be followed by B, B should be followed by C and C should be followed by D. So it should follow a particular order. Now we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So we can connect the 2 points A and C, which is one diagonal of this rectangle, and we can connect the other 2 points, that is B and D, which will give you the second diagonal of this rectangle. So I'm going to join B and D and I'm going to join A and C. Now once we join this, since we know that the two diagonals bisect, it means that suppose I take the point of intersection as O, then O becomes the midpoint of the line AC and O also becomes the midpoint of the line BD. So we have midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Now let us use the formula for the midpoint of a given line. So this is the midpoint formula, which is x comma y equal to x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. So x1 and x2 represents the coordinates of the 2 points of a line. So if we are considering the line A and C, x1 is 1 and x2 is x. So let us find out the midpoint of the line AC first. 1 plus x coordinate of C, which is x, divided by 2, comma, the y coordinates of A and C. So A, it is 2 over here, plus the y coordinate of C is 6 over 2. So we can further simplify these two coordinates and get it as 1 plus x over 2. So the x coordinates are not going to change, but here we have 2 plus 6 as 8 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have the coordinates of the midpoint of the line AC. Now let us find out the midpoint of line BD. So for the midpoint of the line BD, we are again going to consider the x values of B and D. So here we have 4 and 3. So let us add them. 4 plus 3 over 2, comma. Now let us find the y coordinates of B and D, that is y and 5. So we write it over here as y plus 5 over 2. So this is the midpoint of BD and we can simplify this further by adding the two numbers. So we have 4 plus 3 as 7. So it becomes 7 over 2, comma, y plus 5 over 2. Now we had seen that the midpoint of line AC is equal to the midpoint of line BD. So we are going to substitute the midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD with each other. So here we write it as 1 plus x over 2, comma 4, which is the midpoint of AC, is equal to the midpoint of the line BD. So here 7 over 2, comma, y plus 5 over 2. Now after equating these with each other, we are going to compare the x values and we are going to compare the y values. So here we can take first the x values. So let us compare these two. So it is 1 plus x over 2 is equal to 7 over 2. Since we have the same denominator, we can cancel them off and we are left with 1 plus x equal to 7, or x is equal to 7 minus 1, which gives us 6. So this is the value of x. Now let us compare the y values with each other. So here we have 4 is equal to y plus 5 over 2, So we take the 2 on the other side and multiply it with 4 and it gives us a value of 8. So 8 is equal to y plus 5, or y can be written as 8. This 5 goes on the other side, so we get it as negative 5 is equal to 3. So we got the value of x and we got the value of y as 6, 3. So let us see if this is one of the options given above. So 6, 3 is our option A. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. So if you are liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.